Back, going to shop at Iceland on a £1 budget. We are single today. Let's watch the town first. It's a nice town. Yeah, there is a wedding. It's beautiful. Let's watch that. So we are going to shop for some ready meal. Appreciating the town. Do you like the town? Somewhere in the UK? So we are going to Iceland today, where they have a lot of choice for £1. Trying to avoid to video the people. Alright, so let's see. No, not in our budget. Our budget is £1. Let's see. We have sales there. For £1, what can we have? We can have today Brussels sprout. What can we have? Oh, there it is. So we can have, oh, that's thin and crispy. We don't want thin and crispy. We are trying to make the most of for our money, so we are looking for the deep pan. The deep pan is more filling. So we have the chicken and sweet corn, double cheeseburger, 4 cheese, double pepperoni, meat feast. That one is nice. We have the ham and mushroom. I wouldn't advise this because they are small and we are trying to make the most for our money. So yeah, that's not enough food. So let's see, what do we have? Let's see. For £1, oh, we can have this chicken nugget. 20 chicken nugget. Let's see, balcony strawberry. What's that? No, we don't want that. Nothing for £1 here. For £1 we can have 10 large egg at £1. And sorry, excuse me, thank you. We can have the ready meal. Beef veal Yorkshire pudding, minced beef hot pot, chicken stew and dumpling. That must be terrible. Dumpling frozen. Alright, I wouldn't try that. When you know how to do the fresh dumpling, you don't abuse yourself with the frozen one. And ocean pie, so we can have some fish. Oh, sweet and sour chicken. Usually this chicken, they taste bland, but yeah, if you want a sweet and sour chicken, and that's what we refer to in our article. Beef curry with rice, chicken curry with rice, spaghetti bolognese, spaghetti and meatball, mac and cheese, vegetable lasagna for the vegetarian, and we can have beef lasagna. That tastes nice, that tastes decent. Oh, we can have admiral pie for £1. Yeah, and in the Chinese like section, we can have the pillow rice for £1. Oh, 4 duck spring roll. I wouldn't advise that. That's not enough food. But you can have the 10 duck roll for £1 in another section. That's it. And yeah, egg fried rice, and the quantity 350 grams of it. That's not a big portion. That's not enough food, but if you are craving for something different. Alright, what can we do for £1? Oh, garlic bread. Yeah, why not? Garlic bread for £1. We can have oh, we have the brand. That's a good brand, good fella, for £1. They are not usually this price. Pizza pocket. We are not trying to starve ourselves, so I wouldn't advise that. It's not even £1. Oh, we have the takeaway option. Let's see. Garlic and cheese pizza bread. 10 garlic slice. Cheese, garlic, cheese and garlic. So, because that's the meal for the day, there is choice, but the quantity might not fill you for the day. Yeah, trying to avoid to video people, so nobody complain that I put them on YouTube. Alright, let's see what we can do. Oh, it's kind of nice, you know, that's nice in a salad, but that's not filling, so that's not for us today. What else can we do? For £1, we can have 10 cod fish cake. Oh, that would be nice. It should be filling. The quantity, it's 420 grams of it. That's not bad. And fish finger. And we can achieve, oh yeah, that's the roll, the duck roll I was referring to. You can have 10 of it. That is delicious. You put them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes and it is delicious. So if you are vegetarian, you even have access to 16 of it for £1. That's delicious. I wouldn't recommend it for the day, for the meal of the day, because it's not filling enough. Yeah. And we have nothing there. Oh, oops. You can have 2 beef and vegetable pasties for £1. What else? Oh yeah, that would be nice. No meat. We only have £1, but that's 125 kilo of French fry, thin and crispy. Or if you prefer the straight cut, the low fat straight cut, you can have this bowl. Shinker cut crisp. You can have the large cut. Yeah, steak cut. That's a steak cut, like in the fish and chips shop. And what is that? Naturally imperfect. Alright, so these are imperfect chips. So straight from the potato. Ah yes. So dessert for £1. Fishy cake. Alright, we can have 12 potato waffle for £1. That's filling. That's 600 grams of food. 12 potato waffle. Alright. The Iceland hash brown, which is a form of potato mixed with something. It's nice. Onion ring. 670 grams of onion ring. Butter. We can have garlic mushroom. That's not a lot. That's only 280 grams of food. That won't be a lot. And again, potato, roast potato. That's 907 grams of it. Roast potato for £1. Alright, that's too light. Yorkshire pudding. What else? You can have for those who eat pork. That's not a lot of food, but 300 grams. That's not a lot of food. We can have carrot sweetie mash 450 grams of it. And dessert. Oh, that's what I was talking about. Yes, so vegetarian option for those who like the fresh mushroom, freshly sliced mushroom, not the one in the can. 1 pound, and you can have how many grams of mushroom? Okay, it is 500 grams of it. You can have green bean, 900 grams of it for 1 pound. Spinach, whole leaf spinach for 900 grams. Sweet corn, garden peas, petit pois. So what would be the difference between petit pois and garden peas? One is in French, one is in English. One is 800 grams, one is 600 grams. So I guess petit pois is a better quality of it. We can have baby carrot, 900 grams of it. Sliced carrot, casserole vegetable. You can do a casserole vegetable, cutlet, whole onion. That would be nice. That's a lot. 1 kilo of it. You can the country mix. That would be nice too. You can have floret and carrot mix. I would definitely go for that before I go for the ready meal. That's a lot for one day. You can achieve a nice with seasoning and stuff. You can make it taste really nice. Floret mix. So broccoli and cauliflower, or cauliflower only, broccoli only, and button sprouts. Yeah, I like this. I really like this. So that's for the vegetarian or people who love their vegetable. What else?
Instead of eating one packet of crisps,
They'll eat them all.
I'll eat them all and I'm now
What can we do for 1 pound? What meal can we do for the day? For meal for the day. There is nothing there. No. Meal for the day. No, that's too small. Not enough food there. Small.